There are some important key things that he does. I call these the 4 beast pillars, and I will go through them in this video. You need to see the whole video to understand how all of these pillars work together to make what is the single largest YouTuber on the platform. For most YouTubers, when a video goes viral, they try to replicate that and struggle for weeks and months trying to do the same thing over and over again. MrBeast has truly cracked the secret formula to creating a viral video. Pillar 1. Jimmy Donaldson uploaded his first YouTube video in February 2012 at the age of 13 under the name of MrBeast 6000, doing Let's Plays on Minecraft and Call of Duty gameplay videos. He does viral videos. He knows the formula. The viral videos that he makes combines more than one of these in his videos. The video has to be money related, prank video, reaction video, challenges, drama. It also has to have large YouTubers in there. His videos have more than one of these ticked off. He is combining multiple methods going viral into one video. He has done this since the start, like the video that he made that was the last to leave the circle wins. Challenge video, big YouTubers in there, kind of like a reaction video, and it is money related. The result, over 400 million views on a video. I am also a small YouTuber that is learning from this MrBeast method. We are all growing together. This is Mahad from Tube Hustle here. Let's make it to the top together. Grind, don't stop. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. If this video is helping you out, I ask you to take a second to subscribe. If you subscribe, your next video has a plus 34% chance of going viral. Okay, so that is beast pillar 1. He combines multiple qualities of a viral video into one video. Combine these factors into one video and it will help you. Pillar 2, click-through rate. How does he get so many views? He gets them to click, but how do you make people click on your video out of all of the other videos? He has the best title plus thumbnail combination. Beast pillar 2 is about title. He is an absolute master at making titles that grab your attention and you think, is this video even real? But then you start watching and realize that it's not fake, it's not clickbait. This is actually a real video and you watch it till the end. They are unique, extreme titles. Eye contact in them. They are very simple. Do not make a complicated title because people will not understand it. If you make it simple, more people will click on it, which means more views. His videos are not about some fancy, complicated mathematical, scientific or tech-related method that is expounding on the conflagrancies of some mathematical formula that is quite convoluted and vague. No. They are simple videos. They are I survived a plane crash. $1 versus $250,000 holiday. World's largest explosion. The thumbnails on his channel are readable on a small screen. They have red circles. They have bright colors and the words are not too small. Did you know that 60% of all traffic comes from phones and tablets? So he makes sure that you can read them. He makes the thumbnail readable. Keep watching because there are even more pillars coming up and you need all 4, otherwise everything will come crashing down. Okay, there are 2 more pillars left. Find out what they are later on in this video. You need all 4 of them, otherwise the MrBeast formula wouldn't even work. Pillar number 3. If many of your viewers watch the video till the end, then YouTube will push your video out in the suggestions sidebar, the home page and search. This will make your video go viral. He has a trick to keep you watching till the end though, and it's called a hook. He explains what the video is about straight away. He satisfies your curiosity only at the end of the video. He answers what the video is about at the end. You have to see who wins or if the challenge is completed or something. And he actually also gives you instant gratification in the beginning. For example, in this video where he dug 100 wells in Africa, you see right in the beginning that he has a water explosion coming out of the well from the ground. And here it is, instant gratification. You clicked on a video about wells and he instantly shows you the water. You have to satisfy your audience straight away. Give them what they came for. Okay, if this video is helping you out so far, then make sure you get this video to 50 likes. It is important for small companies or startups to grow fast in the early stages. After that, when some momentum is built up, things do get easier. And this is beast pillar 4, growing. What MrBeast does is he reinvests whatever money he makes back into the YouTube channel. He first bought a microphone. He struggled to do that. Then he grew his team. Then he expanded his team. Now no one can keep up with him as his videos are getting so huge. Island scale. They are world scale. There is actually a meme about his videos going around that his videos in 10 years will be about whoever leaves the planet first gets a planet or something. Or I gave my 1,000,000th subscriber a country. That is how big he's getting. Right now, at the time of this recording, he's about to hit 300 million subscribers. He's on 299 million. So what he has done, he has completed all of these 4 pillars and he has applied them to his channel. Okay, let's wrap up. The first pillar was that he combines multiple aspects of a viral video into one video. The second pillar, titles and thumbnails to make them click. The third pillar is how does he keep them watching till the end? He has a hook, good storytelling that leaves you watching till the end to find out what happens. Pillar 4 is growing. He reinvests everything that he makes back into the channel to keep making even better videos. If these videos have helped you out, then make sure you leave a like and subscribe. If you want to learn how to make money from YouTube after you grow your YouTube, then make sure you watch this video that I have made right here.